Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Roaming Venice, and this time we are going to show you how to prune your cilantro or coriander, how it's called also. So if you see, I'm growing a cilantro or a few of them. They have been very nice this summer and producing lots of leaves, but if you see, a lot of them now are very tall and starting to produce some flowers. So once they start flowering, they will start creating seeds, and you won't really get leaves such as these ones, which you use mostly for cooking or as herbs. So we don't want this happening, where the leaves are so thin and there's nothing on them and a lot of flowers. So in this video what we are going to do, we are going to prune this cilantro. In my case, you see there are some long and thick shoots growing. They grow up and then at some point they will split. For example, you look here, so here it got another shoot growing, and then this one grows continuously, and then there's another shoot. So we are going to prune them. Okay, so for pruning, either you need a scissor, or if you know, you can do it also by your fingers, like directly chopping them off. That also you can do. So what we are going to do, we know. So here, let's see, here it's going to flower now. So what we are going to do, we are just going to break it off from here. You can still use this for cooking. It still has the same flavor of cilantro, just the leaves are too tiny, so it looks more like dill than cilantro. Okay, let's try to find something else. So here, if you see, there are even more seeds growing, so we are also going to prune that one. Let's find from where it's growing. So we take here and just prune it off. In here also some of the seeds are now growing, so we are going to do the same exercise wherever you see seeds coming out. Okay, for this plant, you see here also a lot of flowers are going to now come up, and that will hinder that the nice leaves grow very large. So we also need to get rid of this one. It's easy. You find from where it's growing and you remove it. In this case, you see here also it has flowers, there also it has flowers. So what we are going to do, we are going to look for the root and remove all the part, so that we are completely free of these flowers. Although they are pretty nice to look at, and if you let them grow, or if you are harvesting, then you can just let them grow. They will turn into coriander, and then you can harvest the seed for replanting. So that was it about this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and grow very healthy cilantro. See you next time. Bye.